The shrimp meat is very soft and delicious. This is also a type of seafood that has minimal fishy odor. Both elderly people and small children can eat it. Many people know that you need to remove the heads and the tails because those are the digestive tracts of the shrimp. They are very dirty, containing a lot of shrimp feces, food waste, as well as harmful microorganisms. But you don't know the exact way to remove them effectively. So I'm going to share some tips with you on how to quickly and efficiently remove the heads and tails from shrimp. Let's watch the video. For method 1, you hold the shrimp by the head with one hand and the body with the other. Next, use your fingers to separate the head of the shrimp, maybe a little forcefully. You can use your fingers like this to pry it open. As you can see, the inside of the shrimp head is now clearly visible. Gently slide your finger underneath like this and carefully pull out all the internal organs from the shrimp head without crushing them. Next, just hold that pulled out organ mass and gently tug until all the threads are removed. This way, any threads inside the body will also be completely pulled out. The parts you've taken out are the head and the silk threads. After that comes the liver and stomach. This long black thread is actually the shrimp's gut containing leftover undigested food. These things are very dirty. So, every time you eat shrimp, you must remove them. This method allows us to thoroughly clean out all the impurities and guts from the shrimp while keeping the head completely intact. This is perfect for people who enjoy eating the whole thing, including the heads. It's also ideal for restaurants that want to use the prepared shrimp afterward for garnishing dishes. I'm going to do it one more time so you can see this process more clearly. We use both hands to hold the shrimp body and the head, and then we gently bend it open to expose the internal organs inside the head. Using your fingertips, squeeze out those internal organs from the shrimp head. After that, just gently hold it and pull out the connecting thread or tendon carefully. See? It's really simple, isn't it? And the shape of the shrimp head is still perfectly intact. Let's move on to the second method for removing the guts and digestive tract from the shrimp. Take one shrimp and pull off the shells on both sides of the head. Use both hands to pry open those side shells around the head like this. Next, hold the main body meat with one hand, and use the other hand to grip the head shell and pull it away. This separates the outer shell but keeps the usable head meat attached. Then, using your two fingers, pinch out the internal organs, making sure you pull out the gut along with them. All the guts, the vein, and the silk are right here. It's really dirty and needs to be removed before we cook it. Check the shrimp head one more time to make sure you get rid of any leftover guts or organs. As you can see, all the digestive tracts and internal organs are easily removed this way. This method allows you to keep all the valuable meat from the shrimp's head while getting rid of the hard shells. I'm going to do it one more time so you guys can watch it again. Where are you from? Let me know in the comments. It's great knowing that we connect all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button. Thanks for all your support. After gutting the shrimp, make sure to check carefully for any remaining guts or waste inside. If you find any, wash them thoroughly. Next is method 3. With the first shrimp, we've located the prawn pen. Actually, the shrimp's stomach is underneath the prawn pen. So we have to remove that too. Grab a pair of scissors and cut across the base of the prawn pen. Cut it firmly. Then we gently squeeze the remaining part of the shrimp head. It's really easy to get the digestive tract out. The gut and the internal organs are squeezed out at the same time, then you just pull it out with the thread. This method for removing the thread is very convenient and practical, and it doesn't require any special technique. It's an easy way. Please pay attention. I'm going to do it one more time. Cut along the base of the shrimp body, then squeeze this head section to completely remove the digestive tract. When you squeeze the head, sometimes the internal organs might break open, so please double-check carefully to make sure no parts are left behind. What do you think about this method? It's really fast, right? But it doesn't keep the shrimp's shape, and sometimes it's hard to get all the bits out completely. Do you usually clean your shrimp this way? Please let me know in the comments below. Next, I'm going to share the fourth method. First, we need to prepare a straw. A straw about this size will be enough. We only need to use the tip of the straw. You don't need a long one. If it is too long, you can just cut it down. After that, hold the shrimp with one hand. Slide the straw into the space between the head and the body. Once it's in, just pull it out. That will take out all the gunk from inside the shrimp's head. Is it really necessary to use this method to get the shrimp threads? If you can't see clearly, let me do it again. After we buy the seafood, remember to remove the digestive tract from the shrimp. Otherwise, you might eat something very dirty. That's not good for our bodies. By doing this, you can keep the shrimp in its original shape. Isn't that great? How do you usually clean shrimp before cooking? If you have any tips for removing the guts or veins, please comment below. Next, I'm going to use these prepped shrimp to share a recipe with you that keeps them fresh, delicious, and prevents any fishy smell. Now, let's clean the shrimp. Put 1 or 2 spoons of salt on the shrimp, add some clean water, and gently massage it to clean the shrimp thoroughly. We add salt here to disinfect and kill some bacteria that are stuck on the surface of the shrimp, bacteria that are hard for the naked eye to see. And simply washing them won't be completely clean. Soaking them in salt water can significantly reduce the remaining bacteria on the surface of the shrimp. Finally, we drain the water and wash it thoroughly many times. Keep rinsing until the water runs completely clear. Strain the shrimp to let them drain, and then cook or prepare them however you like. Now, I'm going to summarize 4 ways to gut the shrimp and remove the digestive tract. Method 1. Keeping the whole shrimp intact. Bend the head and body of the shrimp together. Gently squeeze the head a little bit to loosen the internal organs. Slowly pull out the shrimp gut, digestive tract, gently from the head. This method keeps the entire shrimp perfect, from head to tail. Method 2. Peeling the head but keeping the meat. Peel off the hard outer shell of the shrimp's head. Once you've peeled it, you can easily access the internal organs inside. Take out all the internal organs and the gut completely. This method removes the shell while still preserving the delicious meat in the head. Method 3. Using scissors, quick and easy. Use scissors to cut off the sharp spines on top of the shrimp's head. Then, gently squeeze the head so that the internal organs are pushed out. Combine this by pulling the gut straight down from the head into the body. This is a quick, simple method with minimal steps, and it's very convenient. Method 4. Using a straw, ensures deep cleaning. Use a small straw to insert it inside the shrimp's head. Use the straw to suck out all the internal organs and pull out the gut. This method ensures thorough cleaning, completely removing the digestive tract without damaging the body of the shrimp. And that's it for this video. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please also share this video with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.